CNC machines, short for computer numerical control machines, revolutionize manufacturing by automating tools through computer programming. These sophisticated machines interpret and execute instructions, allowing for precise cutting, milling, and engraving that were once solely dependent on human hands. Picture a sculptor, meticulously shaping stone, but now a CNC machine performs the task with flawless accuracy and repeatability. These machines have become indispensable in industries ranging from aerospace to automotive, making complex designs attainable with ease. The journey of the CNC machine began in the mid-20th century, with the remarkable invention of the NC, numerical control machine, by pioneering engineer John T. Parsons. His dream was to improve the efficiency of aircraft manufacturing. In the late 1940s, Parsons developed a method that used punch tape to control machine tools, laying the groundwork for the CNC evolution. Imagine a time when machines solely followed manual commands, and then envision a seamless transition to the digital age, where precise coordinates guide every cut and carve. As technology progressed, the introduction of computers into manufacturing transformed NC machines into CNC machines during the 1960s. This advancement opened doors to greater complexity in design and enhanced productivity. With the capability to produce intricate parts reliably, CNC machines have become a hallmark of modern engineering. Today, we stand on the shoulders of visionaries like Parsons, enjoying the benefits of automated manufacturing systems that save time, reduce waste, and foster innovation in design. The CNC machine is a testament to human ingenuity and forward thinking, shaping the future of technology.